A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Let's go straight into pricing, because both tools remove licensing fees entirely, yet they approach free from very different angles. Tryton is completely free and open source. There are no subscriptions, no per-user pricing, and no feature tiers locked behind payments. You can download the software, install it, and use the full accounting and ERP feature set without paying anything to the vendor. However, in real business environments, Tryton is rarely cost-free in practice. Companies usually invest in servers, hosting, database administration, backups, upgrades, and sometimes paid consultants for configuration and maintenance. So while the software itself costs nothing, the real investment is time, planning, and technical resources rather than monthly fees. SQL-Ledger is also free and open source, with no licensing costs or subscriptions. You can download it and use all its accounting functionality without paying for upgrades or plans. Like Tryton, SQL-Ledger may still involve indirect costs such as hosting and technical setup, especially since it is typically deployed on a server. But overall, both tools eliminate SaaS style recurring pricing and instead appeal to users who value ownership and control over convenience. Now, moving into Tryton's features, this is where it clearly positions itself as a full modular ERP rather than just accounting software. Tryton includes a complete general ledger built on strict double entry accounting principles, along with accounts receivable, accounts payable, invoicing, tax configuration, fiscal years, and precise period controls. Multi-currency support is built in, making it suitable for international operations. Analytic accounting and cost centers allow businesses to track expenses and revenue by department, project, or activity, which is critical for structured organizations. Beyond accounting, Tryton extends into operational modules such as inventory management, sales, and purchasing. Inventory tools handle stock movements, multiple warehouses, locations, valuation methods, and product variants. Sales and purchasing modules manage quotations, orders, suppliers, customers, and fulfillment workflows in a single connected system. Role-based access control ensures users only see what they're allowed to see, and audit trails provide accountability for changes over time. The modular design allows businesses to start small and expand gradually without switching platforms. Looking at pros and cons, Tryton's biggest strength is scalability with control. It can grow from basic accounting into a full ERP while keeping full data ownership and avoiding vendor lock-in. The downside is complexity. Setup takes time. The interface focuses on accuracy over modern polish, and non-technical users may face a steep learning curve. Tryton rewards structured workflows and long-term planning, but it's not designed for quick onboarding or casual bookkeeping. Now shifting fully to SQL-Ledger, this is where the comparison moves away from ERP breadth and toward accounting depth and efficiency. SQL-Ledger is an open-source, web-based accounting system focused primarily on financial management rather than full operational workflows. It supports core accounting functions such as general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, invoicing, payments, and financial reporting. SQL-Ledger is designed to be fast, precise, and database driven, which makes it appealing to users who want clean accounting without unnecessary extras. One of SQL-Ledger's defining features is its strong emphasis on double entry accounting accuracy. Transactions are recorded directly into a SQL database, allowing for detailed queries, consistency, and reliable reporting. It supports multi-currency transactions, tax handling, and period-based reporting, making it suitable for small businesses and accounting professionals who prioritize correctness over visual design. Because it is web-based, SQL-Ledger can be accessed through a browser, which allows multiple users to work with the system when properly configured and secured. SQL-Ledger also includes reporting tools for balance sheets, profit and loss statements, aging reports, and transaction summaries. These reports are straightforward and accountant-friendly, focusing on clarity rather than presentation. The system is often used by technically inclined users who appreciate its efficiency, predictable behavior, and direct access to underlying data. However, SQL-Ledger intentionally avoids broader ERP features like inventory, workflows, CRM pipelines, or manufacturing modules, choosing instead to remain focused purely on accounting accuracy. Looking at SQL-Ledger's pros and cons, its biggest strengths are speed, precision, and simplicity within accounting. It's free, open source, lightweight, and highly reliable for bookkeeping and financial reporting. It integrates well with databases and custom workflows for users who are comfortable with technical tools. On the downside, SQL-Ledger is not beginner-friendly. The interface is basic, setup requires technical knowledge, and it lacks modern UX polish. There's no built-in inventory management, no sales pipelines, and no ERP-style operational modules, which limits its use for growing businesses that need more than accounting. Now for ratings. Tryton has a 4.5 out of 5-star rating on Capterra based on 11 user reviews, indicating strong satisfaction among users who adopt it for structured ERP use cases. SQL-Ledger does not currently have an official rating on Capterra or other major review platforms, which is common for older, developer-focused open-source accounting systems. Because of this, there is no standardized review score available. An evaluation should be based on functional fit rather than public ratings alone. Final takeaway: if you need a scalable, modular ERP with accounting plus operational workflows, Tryton is the more powerful option. If your priority is fast, accurate, no-frills accounting with full data control and zero licensing cost, SQL-Ledger is a solid choice. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more deep software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore Tryton and SQL-Ledger so you can test them yourself and decide which one truly fits how you manage your finances day to day.